Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I will be walking you through how to get voice chat on Roblox. While Roblox traditionally relies on text chat, the introduction of voice can be enhancing your gaming experience by allowing real-time communication with other players. Let's dive into the process step by step. Here, navigate to settings menu within Roblox, tap on account info, then select verify my age. To enable the voice chat in Roblox, you will be asked to verify your age. When you are 18 above, only then you will be allowed to have a voice chat. So after tapping on verify my age, you will there get an identity verification. Scanning this will take you to the official website of Roblox. Tap on let's go. There you will be asked government ID and your photo. Follow their steps and you're good to go. Doing this, you will now be able to enable the voice chat in Roblox. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching.